G'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. Today we're going to be doing a quick, simple and fun how-to video on fitting a Proshot mount to your dirt bike helmet. Alright, so many of my long-term viewers would know that I'm a huge fan of chin-mounted helmets. I've got a couple of how-to videos on how to just do your own chin mount. But here we've got on our road helmet, sticker flexed on using the sticky pad, works, not too bad. And on my dirt helmet here that I've had for many years, I've used the top part of the box, sticker flexed on there. Again, there's a how-to video on how to do that one. But it's not very good if you've got a nice new helmet and you're looking to not destroy it and be able to take the camera and mount off later on. And that's where the Proshot comes in. So I've got my brand new helmet here. I've got to say a massive thank you to the JoeJoeMoto supporters who have helped me in this purchase. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, brand new Aero. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Super lightweight, just beautiful helmet. So we're going to be using the Proshot mount on this one, and it's a little bit trickier because you can see it does have a little bit of a wavy pattern going on here, but it goes to show that the Proshot mount can fit on anything. Alright, so in the Proshot kit that you get, you obviously got the Proshot mount itself. Just comes with obviously the GoPro mount, but you can mount other cameras to it, I'm sure. And then it comes with the little Velcro pads. Now it's that sort of fancy sort of clip together Velcro. It's just super strong. And then it's got the nice 3M backing tape there as well, just double-sided tape sort of stuff. Well, not double-sided, single-sided, but whatever. Now it's time to mock it up on the helmet. And that means just putting it in place, playing with it for ages, seeing where it's going to fit, where it's going to sit, getting the camera out, putting it on there, see if it's going to obstruct view, anything like that, and just getting it in the spot that you really want it to be in. So the basics of what you want when you're setting up your camera is you've got to imagine your head is tilted down a fair way, your goggles are around about that angle sort of thing, and you want your camera to be facing the same angle. So if you've got it sitting there like that, and you're like, yep, good to go, ready to ride, and your head's down that way, you can see the camera's going to be pointing right down. It's not a good camera angle, that's for sure. So you basically want it sitting right back. And it does look a little funny when you're first setting it up, but trust me, that's exactly where you want it. So after playing around and mocking it up and trying different angles and whatever, it's going to end up being best if the mount is placed right along this bottom line here and actually tucks in there. So that'll give me a really good point of view. It also makes the breathing vent here point right into the back of the camera, so you'll hear my voice really well with just the skeleton back on the GoPro. And now we get a pencil out and we mark exactly where we want it, where it's going to sit perfectly. And then that'll give us our point of reference to where to put the sticky Velcro. A little bit easier on this one because it is sitting right along that ridge line there. So it's going to be a great test of this hook and loop stuff here because yeah, it's not exactly a flat surface, and it'll be interesting to see how it'll fit and how well it's going to clip on there as well. A little bit of wax and grease remover on a rag, give it a nice little tidy up, make sure it's nice and clean, and always wipe it off as well with a clean part. You don't want to be leaving that residue on there. Peel them off, stick them on. Like I said, this is going to be interesting to see how well this works because of the weird shape of this helmet, so fingers crossed it still gets a really good purchase on there, hey? Clip together Velcro stuff pads are on there and ready to go. So it's now just a matter of lining this up properly where I had it and clipping it in like so. Okay, all lined up, all ready to go. Looks awesome too. Matches the helmet, which is great. Alright, with all this mounted up now, it's time to jump on the bike, check out the camera angle. Let's do that. Alright, so here's the field of view of the Proshot mount. I just love this angle. I've tried some other angles and this one just trumps them all. So I've got a really good clear field of view. The camera's sort of not in the way at all where I'm looking. And I've got a really good view of the actual camera itself, so I can see all the lights on it. I can see when it's recording and when it's not, and I can actually move the camera quite easily from where it's sitting there, and it's really rock solid too. The mount is so solid on there. So yeah, it's looking good from this field of view, that's for sure. Alright, so Proshot mount, I've got to give it a big old thumbs up. This product is awesome. Rock solid, so easy to fit, do it yourself. It's a fantastic product. I've got a great field of view. I can only just see the top of the camera where I can see the light, see if it's recording and all those things, and it's just brilliant. It was really easy to fit, just a couple of Velcro sticky pads and make sure they go in the right spot, and you're good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I've got to say another huge thank you to my supporters, the Buy Me a Beer supporters, who have helped me purchase this helmet because, man, I needed a new helmet so bad. This is going to be great in summer. It's lightweight, it's really cool. Cool as in temperature cool. So yeah, thank you guys so much for that. I really do appreciate it. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, notifications, share it with all your friends so that they can see how easy this Proshot mount is to fit, and I guess I'll see you on the next video.